Welcome to the walkthrough video for MailerLite integration with Zoho CRM, your all-in-one solution for syncing email marketing activities seamlessly with Zoho CRM. Now, let's see how to install, set up, and sync your records seamlessly between two platforms. To get started, install the MailerLite integration for Zoho CRM from the Zoho Marketplace. You can directly buy the extension or you can go for the 10-day free trial. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, access the extension by clicking the three dots on the top side menu and selecting MailerLite. Now, let's connect and authorize your accounts. To connect your MailerLite account, log into your MailerLite account. Navigate to Integrations in the left side menu, and in the API section, click Use. Provide a token name, choose Allow all APIs, accept the terms, and click Create Token. Copy this API token and paste it into the integration interface in Zoho CRM. Once connected, authorize Zoho CRM by clicking Authorize and allowing access. Now click on Accept. After both tabs are disabled, click Next and accept the terms and conditions. Before syncing records, configure the settings to align with your business needs. Enable options like syncing leads, contacts, and accounts as subscribers in MailerLite. For example, if you select Contact as the default module, then the MailerLite subscribers will always be synced as the Zoho CRM. Enable bidirectional syncing options to automatically sync records between MailerLite and Zoho CRM. If you need to reset your connection, navigate to the Settings tab and use the Reset option for either MailerLite or Zoho CRM accounts. This allows you to reconnect or switch accounts easily. Before syncing records, you need to map fields using the drag-and-drop method. To sync your subscribers and campaigns, navigate to the Sync tab. Click Sync Subscribers to sync your MailerLite list with the default module in Zoho CRM. Similarly, fetch campaigns from MailerLite by clicking on Get Campaign from MailerLite. Map fields, and sync campaigns to Zoho CRM. The customizable dashboard provides an overview of your subscribers and campaigns, making it easy to monitor and verify updates at a glance. For individual contact sync, navigate to the contact that you need to sync and click the Send to MailerLite icon. Now the selected contact will be successfully synced to the MailerLite. Track the status of all your synced records in the Logs section. The campaign reports are used to track the campaign activities of all the members involved from right inside the Zoho CRM. Get the insights overview of your audience growth such as click-through rate, open views, bounce rate, etc. from the comprehensive dashboard and campaign report. Also, the integration automatically syncs records from MailerLite to Zoho CRM every 10 minutes. This is all you need to know about the MailerLite integration for Zoho CRM. Hope this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching.